To enable or disable Raise to Wake in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the home screen and lock screen settings. After entering it, we can navigate to the lock screen settings, and then there's Raise to Wake. After activating it, you'll be able to lock your phone, and then if you pick it up and the phone detects that it has been picked up, it should wake up the screen without touching any buttons. So in this case, I think now it should work. Okay, let's let down the phone on the table and then try to pick it up again. Okay, it works, but you need to do it fast. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.